I'm Reagan Gressley, and this is a video showing you how I make quick, sanity-saving, not so perfect videos that are effective for my students. So I teach at William Rainey Harper College, and maybe like some of you, I have this kind of thing on my website where all of a sudden my face-to-face physics class has been tossed online. I think they're calling it, wait, let's check this out, off-campus flexible learning for students. So this is going to be through April 12th, and so I'm faced with, oh gosh, I have to get my physics class online. Luckily, I teach a few classes online, a Physics for Poets class. I teach a blended Physics for Poet class also that has lab on campus. So I just want to show you really fast a few tools that I've purchased over the last 6 months that help me do this quickly and easily, and not perfectly, but great enough for my students. They say that these are effective learning tools. So the first thing I want to show you is this thing I purchased. It's kind of hilarious. It's a Selfie ring light. It's for streaming makeup tutorials, which I totally do all the time. No, I use this as my way to present physics pen and paper videos with my voice. Because in physics, we use a lot of equations, I use a lot of diagrams. And so this has actually really saved my days. So I'm going to quickly show you a tour of what my desk looks like with that Selfie ring stand. Just let me get this rewound and I can show you how it works. So I have it plugs into your computer, and you can see how I have it set up, kind of the angles here where the light is shining straight down on my paper and the cell phone holder is here. I'm using my cell phone to make the video, so sorry you can't see it on there. On my desk, I also have a light that provides a really good amount of diffuse light that goes on the page as well, in addition to the Selfie ring stand light. I also have some sunlight in this video, but that's it's already gone right now. It's just the morning time of day. I also have my tools ready to go. So color pens clicked open already, a ruler, and my calculator. And I also usually put some sort of toy or some fun object in the corner of the video. That's just me giving it a little bit of flavor and making it a little less serious. Over here, I have a picture of what it looks like with my phone actually in there. So when I'm making videos, this forces me to lean over and puts my mouth right by my phone's microphone. So the recording quality is very good, and you can hear me and only me in the videos. And there's my piece of paper and everything, and you can see it in the screen how it's centered like so, and you can play around with that and find your favorite angle and way to do that. The other tool I use a lot is Screencast-O-Matic. That's actually what I'm using right now, and so I want to give a quick shout out to this guy. He's the one who asked me to, or convinced me to make the video, Brian. So become a member of WHCM at Harper College. Anyway, what I'm using right now is called Screencast-O-Matic. It's amazing. It's free. You can make simple, quick videos that are under 15 minutes. And the other thing is a splurge. So I'm not sure if you want to splurge right now, but our family bought a Blue Yeti Nano so that we can all make screencast videos with really high audio quality. It's made a big difference, and I really enjoy using it. So those are my ideas for saving your sanity if you are forced, like me, to toss your course online. Good luck, you got this.